Hindi kasi ako nag-debut. Hindi ko naranasan yan. Kaya sabi ko, parang bibigay ko sa kanya kung ano yung gusto niya talaga. Sobrang bait. Tsaka masunurin. Lahat ng problema ko sa kanya ko sinasabi.
Your mom and dad, the best gift in your life. From there, doon mo matatagpuan ang tunay na tagumpay. Good luck and happy birthday. I love you.
This is where we come alive. Feel it rising from within. It's our time to shine the light.
Happy birthday, ate. Wish ko lang sa'yo na sana maging masaya ka palagi and matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo.
Sana pagpatuloy lang niya yung dream niya. Nakasuporta naman kami lagi dito, buong pamilya, para ma-pursue niya yung dreams niya.
We are so proud of you because you are a very fine young lady at we are very thankful for your life. Happy birthday, ate. We love you so much.
Oh, it's just the beginning.
Binigay sa akin ni Papa yung hikaw na to nung bata pa ako na yun eh. Kaya hindi ko na siya masusuot eh. So, ipapasa ko na siya sa kanya.
Ang prayer ko, sana maging blessings ka din sa iba para mas marami ang katulad mo na maging blessed.
Oh, it's just the beginning. Just the beginning.
When time comes na ma-reach mo na yung dreams mo, I hope you give back to your parents and you remember where you came from and always remember na si God yung reason kung paano ka makakaabot sa gusto mong maabot.
Happy birthday, Leah! Love you! Happy birthday, Leah! Love you! Dream a dream with me. There's so much we can be. Just
Naiinip ako ng manliligaw, pero wag mo na magba-boyfriend. Ayaw pa ni Daddy.
Wag ka muna mag-aasawa. Siyempre, siguro, mabilis ka na matapos, no? 7 taon. 7 taon pa.
Manliligaw lang, pwede na.
the story's just begun. The story.
Mas maging responsible ka kasi madaming challenges kang pagdadaanan. Pero alam ko naman na kaya mo yan kasi nandiyan naman si mami mo tsaka si daddy mo.
The best is yet to come. The story's just begun.
Sana makagraduate yung wish ni Ina sa'yo na maging doktora. Yun lang. I love you.
Happy birthday, ate. I love you.
This is a story. It is yours and it is mine.
In her decade and 8th celebration, let us all welcome the one and only Miss Ashelia Spring.
The story is just begun.